What's up everybody, and welcome to Reviews by Russ. In today's video we're going to be looking at the new Star Wars Lego AT-ST Raider from the hit TV show The Mandalorian. Let's check it out.
So what we have here is the new Star Wars Lego AT-ST Raider set. It is recommended ages 8 and up. It is set number 75254. And it has 540 pieces. This set includes 4 new minifigures. We get the Mandalorian, our first Din Djarin figure, everybody's favorite Rebel Shock Trooper Cara Dune, and 2 Klatooinian Raider figures. This is a fairly large set, so let's get it put together and see what it looks like. Once we get the box open, we see that we have a lot of Legos to work with. We have a sticker sheet and a 112-page instruction manual. Have 4 bags individually numbered. As always, we start with bag number 1. Okay, once we get everything opened up, this is what we have in bag number 1. First step is to build the Mandalorian. It does have just a plain black head, so this is the way. So there we have the Mandalorian Din Djarin minifigure. A few more stickers. So this is what we've got after bag number 1. We've got our Mando. Got a good bit of the body put together. Done quite a few decals, some action. So it's gonna be pretty cool when we get it together. Looks like we ended up with 7 extra pieces out of this set, this bag. So that's not bad. I'll set those to the side just in case. And it'll be time to move on to bag number 2. Okay, so we have bag number 1 complete here. We've got our Mandalorian figure. Now we're going to move on to bag number 2. This bag does have the Cara Dune minifigure.
Who's married that guy? We gotta build her first. Where's her pants? I already found her head. There she is.
There's her gun.
I've never seen pieces like this.
Oh no. Okay, so we finished bag number 2. You ready to move on to bag number 3?
Yeah, that's a lot of pieces.
Sure is.
I wonder what this is for.
I don't know.
Wait, stuck together.
Let's move this guy out of the way for now.
Wait, what number did you say?
I need number 6.
5, 6. Whoa, that is super duper big.
And now we've finished bag number 3.
Yeah, we did finish bag number 3, and now we're going to bag number 4.
Okay, we got 5 extra parts.
Yeah, 5 extra parts. Now we're going to the fourth bag.
Okay. Let's set him out of the way. First thing, we got to find the 2 minifigures.
2 minifigures. Wait, is there a girl one?
Nope.
No.
All right. Here we have the completed ATST Raider set. This is an awesome set. It comes with 4 minifigures. We'll check those out. Get a Klatooinian Raider. Get another Klatooinian Raider. This one has a helmet, spikes on his shoulders. You get Cara Dune, former Rebel shock trooper. Her smiling face, her angry face. We get Din Djarin, the Mandalorian. We ended up 22 extra pieces from this set, which is a lot. There were 4 large bags of Legos, but still, that is a lot of extra blocks. Usually a set's 4 or 5. I guess with these big bags, you can expect 4 or 5 extra blocks in a bag. Some of them, we got a pistol, a couple lightsaber hilts, some hooks, extra long missile that shoots from the ATST. So quite a few extra goodies with this one. So we can see, you can turn the head with the knob on the back. Doesn't really walk, but does stand very well. We have a couple of cool rockets. As we can see here, cockpit opens. And we see a nice interior view of the cockpit. The small hatch on the top also opens.
Overall, I love this set. I'm really excited about Mandalorian products finally hitting the store. It was really slow going. The series has been off for a while now. We're just now finally starting to see some of the first toys. My only dislikes about this set, I think the little things on the ATST's eyes should have been made of a translucent red material to be more like it was on the show with the red lights, where it almost looked like a monster coming out of the woods. Also, Din Djarin's armor is from the first few episodes. At this point in the story, he's already got his full new suit of Beskar, and the Lego is painted up like before that happened. So hopefully when we get the Razor Crest, which they just announced the pre-orders recently, this will have an updated paint job on Mando's armor, as we'd like to be a little more specific to the show. Hopefully he'll even come with a jetpack that he got there at the end. This set come in at $40, which is really a good deal. The ATST is fairly large, has a lot of play features. You do get 4 minifigures, 2 of them being the Mandalorian Din Djarin and Cara Dune, which are 2 of everybody's favorite characters. Also get a few of the Klatooinian Raiders, which are neat. I would definitely recommend, if you collect Star Wars Legos, that you pick this set up. Like I said, at $40, it's not too expensive, and it's a really, really cool set. If you guys stick around at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a little clip of a disaster that almost happened while we were filming. But as always, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give the video a like. If you guys would like to talk about it, leave some comments. We'll definitely get back to you, and we'll see you next time.
We have a couple of cool rockets.